video, I'm going to be washing down the 83 Mack, affectionately known as Deputy Dog. I did a video, brief introduction about what it is, so if you want you can go back and look at that. But today I'm going to be pressure washing it and hopefully getting her cleaned up a little bit. So stick around and see what happens. I surrender. That's been, I don't know, altogether probably 5 hours behind the pressure washer, about at least 800 gallons of water, 2 shirts, probably gonna have to burn these jeans so they're full of grease. Safety glasses are shot. But I think I got all in my mouth. I got some in my mouth. But I would say on the plus side, it does look a lot cleaner. Apparently, I'm guessing it hasn't been washed in probably 20 years. The last time it was plated was in 2000, it's 2019, so, but I would say I made a difference, and now I just need to go through and make a list of all the things I need to fix and get her back on the road. So, if you're interested in staying up to date on the Deputy Dog Fixer Upper project, whatever we're going to call it, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again. Until next time, stay American.